closer. About 3 miles away. This is what it looks like up in here. The camping sprawl out here. Right here. It's pretty flat up on this grade and I'm right in the middle of a bunch of trees. Blow this sucker up. Okay, home sweet home for a night. We're all set up. Let's get to cooking. I'm gonna grill some lunch in a minute. Lunch is served. Maybe we shouldn't have brought the cheap buns. Why not? Just about brown enough. Nothing like the taste of toasted marshmallows over mesquite charcoal. Gotta try it. All right, I'm at Lower Peppermint Creek, about 7 miles from the campground. Have no idea. We're going to get around here and see what's going on. Okay, I worked my way back here, about a quarter mile, and there's a nice little pool right here. Boy, this water is crystal clear. I can see some smaller trout in there, that's for sure. Let's see what's out here. Scrub, we're in the back country now, up here in the high Sierras. This is something else. Hunting country. Got power bait down there on the bottom. Probably can't see it in the video, but I've got a fish about 3 inches away. I got polarized glasses so I can see him. Oh well. Well, I'll travel back in here about a mile, then about an hour and a half. Haven't got any bites. Haven't seen anything longer than a foot. Maybe 10 inches, but I can't get anything to bite the trout bait. I don't have any worms, so it's probably my fault. But the way to go to this place was turning right further out of town. Town's 45 minutes away from the camp, so boy, it is beautiful up here. It's nice. I'm going to fish this last little pool for a minute and call it quits. For a lot of us are going swimming right down in here. Jump in myself. Right in there. Try these hamburgers. Pretty good. Pretty good.
How you doing? Come on up, brother. Wherever you got, a little bit.
I'm pressing on the upward way, new heights I'm gaining every day.
Jonathan, we were thinking of you, my friend. Yes, look at this.
Oh, Sophie.
Bueno. Late night cooking. Hey, you got ribs going on.
Esta carne ya está, yo creo. Sí, yo creo que esta. La cortamos, ¿no? Igual para... No, porque él... You want me to follow a little pieces or you want me like that?
All right, well, so far, so good on the air mattress. It held air pretty good. So, it's about 11 p.m. Time for bed. I'm tired. But it's almost 6 o'clock. The air mattress stayed up just fine. Make some coffee. Try this stuff. See how this sausage tastes first. This is all edible. Yeah, we're going to clean out our cast iron pan too.
I love him more and more. Sing it out. Jesus saves and keeps me, and he's the one I'm waiting for. Every day with Jesus is sweeter than the day before. Sing it again.
Philippians chapter number 1. Philippians chapter number 1, and what a privilege it's been to be here. I love this place, and you know, I have an opportunity, of course, to travel so much, and you may not know this, but Lancaster Baptist Church has been used of God to put people all around the world. And
We're all getting ready to leave. It's the reason why we had to keep the gates closed.